At Minds and Money London, I'm pleased to welcome Richard Carleton, CEO of the CSC, and James Black, the VP of Listings Development. So, Richard, last time we talked, you had record trades, but as of now, I know you have greater records. Tell us about that.
Well, I'm pleased to report that we've continued the trends that we're showing over the course of the summer. And on the Canadian Securities Exchange this year, we are going to have record turnover. Right. We project more than 5 billion shares traded this year. Right. Importantly, value traded is going to exceed the $1 billion mark for the first time. Yep. And again, as a testament to the ability of Canadian Securities Exchange companies to raise funds, they will also set a record this year of more than $300 million raised.
Well, okay. Well, let's turn over to James. So, James, as the VP of Listings Development, what makes a company qualifiable to list with you?
First and foremost, they have to understand the benefit of going public, which is to access capital and provide liquidity for their existing shareholders. So we have certain rules. I won't bore you with the specifics, but we're looking for a company that is looking to raise more money, perhaps to grow. We like to see companies that are, if they're in a technology space, maybe in a commercialization phase of their business. But certainly we have a lot of mining companies, and we do want to have companies that are, if they're early stage, supported by 43-1, 101 reporting, and sufficient working capital. So, like we said, we have a emphasis on early stage companies, but we like to keep them until they grow into bigger companies.
Very good. Now, I understand that you're also known as the Exchange for Entrepreneurs. So, for both of you, why would you say that is your tagline?
We're entrepreneurs ourselves, first and foremost. The exchange is actually a startup. Yeah. We ourselves have raised money from all of the different sources that companies that list on the exchange have gone through themselves. Right. So we have that spirit in working with the companies. We know what they've been through. We've walked a mile, literally, in those shoes. Right. And so we try to bring that spirit to all of the things that we do, from a regulation side, technology side, business development side, that same entrepreneurial spirit. We like to say we move at the speed of business, not at the speed of bureaucracy. Oh, okay, very good. And comments from you, James?
Just echo what Richard said. We're looking for companies that have that entrepreneurial spirit to come to the market and take that capital, put it to work, and create real value for the end investor. Because at the end of the day, it's all about the end investor. It's about trying to create new wealth, and that's really how I define entrepreneurship. It's creating wealth where it wasn't before. So that's where we want to be the platform for entrepreneurs.
Very good. Now, at Minds and Money here in London, what has it been like for you? I'm having a booth here, having your presence here. What's it been like?
Well, really what we're trying to do is raise the profile of the exchange, right, but more importantly, our issuer companies in the market in the UK and in the European Union. And so this is our actually first time at the London show. Right. And obviously with the focus on mines and the natural resources space, it's obviously been beaten down over the last few years, but we do see signs of life. Projects are beginning to get financed again, and so we thought it was an opportune time to come over here. 3 of our issuers are also exhibiting at the show, basically to tell not just our story, but their story as well to a London audience.
Very good. And for James, what is the CSC looking forward to in 2017?
Well, I mean, it's been several years of growth. I don't want to be greedy, but we want to see more growth. We like to continue to diversify the investment opportunities that are in the marketplace. Certainly, we have a great inflow of equity listings, but also debt listings and other such products that we want to bring to market. So I think keep your eyes out on that. Keep your eyes out on all of our events that we host through the year. We try to bring the community out on a regular basis to interact with our company. So come to our website, www.thecsc.com. Right. Go to our event calendar and you'll find something that's suited for you, I'm sure.
Right, and you're also on Twitter at CSC_news, correct?
That's correct.
All
Updated
right.
every day.
Perfect. Well, thank you for being here, guys.
Our pleasure.
Thanks, Rachel.
At Minds and Money in London, I'm Rachel Lee for Small Cap Power.